guys, my name is Lalita Bestia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to study about anatomy of heart. So anatomy of our heart is very important for the human body. It is very important organ and it also carry the 10 marks or 5 marks. It's very important. Let's see how I will see today external feature of heart and some introductions. So let's begin with introductions. In introductions we have to look shape, how heart look like, and then where it is location and dimension and cover. Heart is covered with and flow of blood. And then last we'll see about size and weight. So let's get started. So we'll start with introduction. Shape of the heart. Shape of the heart. Shape of the heart is conical shape. It is conical shape. And locations of heart, where it is present. It is present in middle mediastinum. Middle mediastinum. It is present in middle mediastinum, and then it is covered with the heart. The heart is covered with pericardium. Cardium means heart, peri means cover. Pericardium. And direction. The blood flow of the heart from right atrium to the ventricles and forwards, downwards to the left. From atrium to the ventricle, downwards, forwards, and to the left side. This is introductions of heart. In introductions of heart, we learn about shapes, location, cover, direction, and we'll see about size, how much it is, size and weight. Its size about 12 into 9 centimeter. The weight size is about 12 into 9 centimeter. Size, and now we'll see about weight. How much it is? Weight is male. In male it is 300 gram. In male it is 300 gram, and female it is 250 gram. The weight of the heart, 250 gram. So we done with introductions, shapes, location, cover, direction, size, and weight. Now we'll see about external features of heart, that is anterior view. First, let's see the diagram, how it is look. Let's see diagram. If you know the diagram, it's easy to learn theory. So first started with diagram. Draw Y, this kind of Y, like this. Draw like this. Then draw like this bulge here. This is one. Second, draw from here and same type, means upside down. Draw like this, and it's very easy. See, draw like this, and I'll show you how to remember the external part, external feature of heart in easy way with mnemonics. So draw here like this. It's very easy. See, done. One more is remaining here. This is external feature of heart. Let me write it here. This is anterior view, when we see heart from anterior side, from front side. This is anterior view, external feature, anterior view. Let's name it. What is it? Let's name with the red pen. So let's sketch. This is right atrium. RT means right atrium. Okay. This is right atrium. This is right ventricle. This is right ventricle. This is left ventricle. This is left ventricle. This is left auricle. Sorry, left auricle. Right atrium, right ventricle, left auricle, and left ventricle. And this is pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery, arch of aorta. This is of arch of aorta. And this is superior SVC, superior vena cava. This is IVC. This is inferior vena cava. So it's very easy diagram. Now I'll show you the how border look like. See, I'll draw with this pen only border. Okay. This is inferior border. Inferior border. This is left border. This is right border and upper border. Inferior border, left border, right border, and upper border. See, when we place this sketch like this, this is border. This is border of heart. Now let's see about external feature of heart theory. So how to remember that? Mnemonics GAPSB. So what is GAPSB? I'll say. So this is G for great attitude boy, success in business. Great attitude boy, success in business. This is mnemonics of external features of heart. So let me write it here. Great attitude business. Okay, this is mnemonic of external features of heart. So I'll say what is the GASBS. So leave this G here, start from here, count here A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is S is 3, right? It come, see, don't count this one, start from here, 1, 2, 3. So right here 3, 4, we have written 4 here. So what is that? I'll say you, wait, let me draw this. Let's see, G for grooves or sulci. G for grooves or sulci. And A for apex. B for base. S for surface. How many? 3 surface. 3 surface. And 4 for border. External feature GA, that is grooves, and then apex, base, surface, and border. 4 border, 3 surface. Now let's see 3 surface. How to remember 3 surface? Just write LIA. LIA. Yeah. And then 4 surface, rail. 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 You just have to remember 3 surface, LIA, and then rail. Now we'll see what is LIA means. L for left lateral surface. Left lateral surface. I for inferior surface. And A for anterior surface. A for anterior surface. This is surface. Now we'll see about rail. What is RAIL? Now we'll see about RAIL. And R for right border. RT means right border. And A4 means apex. Apex means upper. Apex or upper. Upper border. And I means inferior border. Inferior border. And L means left border. So done with external features of heart with mnemonics. Just remember, you have to just remember this. Now today class we learn about anatomy of heart, that is introductions and external feature with easy way of diagram. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like it, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. This class will see about internal feature of heart and blood supply of heart, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.